Hi, my name is Vincent Calvin and I'm a student in police technology at College on Sick. In today's video, I'm gonna show you a website that helps a lot of the police officers out there in Montreal City. This website is called the SPVM homepage. So everything the police wants to put out on this website, they can, and the civilian can click on it and see it. So to start off, I'm gonna click in the top corner of the screen and I'm gonna click on the URL. I'm gonna write spvm.qc.ca, press enter, and we're gonna jump in this website. So when you get on this website, it's the homepage of the SPVM. You can see some police community stuff, and if you go down, you can see there are some press release and some news. This first part of the website is very useful to the police officer, and it solves the problem of the communication with the city. So, for example, the police released a press release that is talking about scamming of phone. So this is very useful to the police. So because if you're a civilian and you're afraid of being scammed on your phone, you can just click the press release, get informed, and do some thing to not being scammed. So the police don't have to work with a case of scam phone. If you go up in the website, there's a lot of button on the top of the screen. The one we're interested about in this video the most is the wanted/missing person button. If you click on it, there's a list of the most popular thing you can click, and we're gonna click on the missing person link. So you're gonna arrive on a page that has all the missing persons since they're being missing. So we can go down a lot. One of which I'm pretty sure you all know about is Ariel. Ariel was missing March 12, 2018, and if, for example, I thought I would have seen him in the street or anything, I could have just come on the website, click on Ariel, and have a brief description. So this helps to find the kid and to make sure it's the right kid. So when, for example, I have seen Ariel in the streets, I could just call the 911 with my cell phone and tell them I have found Ariel. The police can come rapidly and take him to the hospital. So another nice thing about this website is the wanted person button. If you click on it, there's a lot of people that the SPVM is trying to make sure they know it's the right person. So for example, if I click on the first one here, the website will give me a brief description of this guy. So if I know this guy, I can just call the police and tell them, yeah, your suspect one is blah 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 blah, give him his name, his address, and the police can arrest him. So this solved the problem of communication. Before this website was invented, the police had a lot of problem to communicate with the public because it was not easy. So right now with this website, everyone can come and take a look at this website, look for the missing person, wanted person, and help the police. This helps a lot of the police officer because it reduces their work and they help the police by doing their work for the police. So I hope you've liked this website. It's a very easy one to work with, but it helps a lot of the police, and I hope you have an amazing day. Peace out.